Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is episode 4 of Dispatch. Last episode हमने episode 3 खेला था and हमें like Z team के एक member को बाय बाय बोलना पड़ा था जो कि था सोनार and let's see इस episode में क्या होता है. इनविजिगैल है ये तो. Oh shit. Well, I am so thankful to the censorship because इसमें तो काफ़ी रिक्वायरमेंट लग रही है. क्या ये हमारा मेन कैरेक्टर है मेका मैन? रॉबर्ट? सीरियसली? What? Okay, it was just a dream, guys. You don't have to be serious. Okay, well, हमें इससे ये तो पता लग गया कि इनविजिगैल also likes मेका मैन. लाइक ब्लॉन्ड ब्लेजर भी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट शो कर रही है. भाई बहुत गंदी आवाज़ है, जल्दी बंद कर ब्रो. ओह
Oh, that was a great prank. Oh my god. Oh, we put the best pranks. You have no idea what I've done.
शिट.
She was tight with Sonar. Never understood why. But then again,
भाई
I
तो
don't
क्या
know
ये
about the
सोनार?
logic. That's a thing, right? Like Richie stuff. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, best to keep an eye on her. The problem with only cutting one of them is now you gotta deal with their friends poisoning the rest of the team.
Come on, Chase. It's harmless. Who doesn't love an office prank?
Me, don't even think about it. That's why I would have cut them all. Started with that. Why's she staring at you? Don't you got some work to do?
Don't you got some dementia to onset?
That one stung a little. Hey, Blazer's looking at backfilling your open spot with Phenomaman or Water.
इनविजिगैल
You should think
बीइंग
about who you want.
One of
भाई
them is the
घूर
poster
रही है
boy
तो.
of SDN and the other guy pukes water. What am I
घूर
missing?
रही थी.
We now go live to the 405 where an unusual scene is unfolding.
Phenomaman.
He looks rough.
भाई इसको क्या हो गया? ब्रेकअप से पीड़ित हो रहा है यार. दिल टूटा आशिक बन चुका है सीरियसली.
Looks like there's no wrong answer.
Well, sometimes it's more about the person than the powers. And good thing, because it's the only reason anyone gave your sorry a job.
All right. It wasn't that funny.
क्या हमारा
Protocol
सूट
Test 7,
रेडी हो
pilot
चुका है?
ready. We good up there?
You can talk, I can hear you.
Oh,
We good. All you, Mecha Man.
System power. Simple locomotion. Complex locomotion.
Levels are stable. We onto something, bro. This is it. This is gonna be
जंपिंग
it.
जैक्स कुछ तो करते हैं। वाह,
Okay.
हम
that's the
एक्सरसाइज
beat
करने
plan.
लग गए।
My best subject.
ले, हमारी जंपिंग एक्सरसाइज हमारा रोबोट झेल नहीं पाया गाइस।
Oh!
फटवट ना जाए भाई।
Protocol test 7. Failure.
No worries. We'll
टेस्ट
get there.
7 था।
Royd, what is all this stuff?
Whole network expect me to process all the confiscated stuff. Cause we the bottom branch for SDN, we catch all kinds of work.
Did you just give me an up-down?
We take one bad guy stuff and use them for catch the other bad guy. Only good thing, a lot of upgrade possibilities.
You ever jerk off in this thing?
You low, busy.
I mean, obviously you have, right? I should really be asking how often.
Hey, come on. I gotta work on this.
Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. What's it to you?
Just want to know why the buttons are sticky.
Ah, what the f?
She's joking, Royd, in her very specific, off-putting way that she jokes.
You two got one weird energy going on, huh? Can you handle this HR violation some other place? I got work, yeah?
Robert was just leaving.
I can do this all day.
That's gonna be tough, because Blazer sent me to get you like half an hour ago, so...
Okay.
Blazer, sorry. You know what? I can come back.
Oh, no, don't worry. I got this thing tonight, and they were supposed to send the dress yesterday. This isn't why you're here, but can you zip me up? It's not mine, by the way. They make me wear it, and it's back in a bag by midnight.
What is happening today?
What's that?
What's happening today? The thing you're going to.
SDN sponsoring a dinner gala thing. Radiant Valor, a night of triumph.
Why does that sound like a propaganda rally? There.
Thank you. Yeah, it does kind of
Oh.
sound like some sort of fascist-themed prom. What do you think? They were making alterations all morning.
Oh, it's
Might be
too
a
small.
little tight.
Are you trying to say I'm short?
Far from it. I'm actually trying to subtly tell you that, you know.
All right, for real now. How do I look?
She's
breakup
looking
story is out.
so hot.
I might be getting more attention than I'm comfortable with.
Incredible.
I think you look incredible.
Thanks.
अच्छी लग रही है भाई.
I was supposed to be going with him, but I don't think he's going to be making it. The downtown branch dropped him. Indefinite suspension.
Is that your car?
I don't have a car.
That's gonna be a weird
Proper दिल
insurance
टूटा
claim.
I'd
आशिक
like
बन
for you
गया
to
भाई ये
talk to
तो.
him.
Me? Why me?
You're the pep talk guy. You've been through a transition recently yourself. I think he could use some perspective.
Like perspective to join the Z team? Chase mentioned it.
Yeah, the only candidates that make sense are him or Waterboy. And at the moment, it's close. Mostly, I'd like you to get him out of the parking lot. Oh, and tell him to stop with the edible arrangements. He keeps sending them, but with all melon.
That's disgusting. I'll see what I can do. Hey, you phenomenon man. How you doing, bud?
I have been better, Robert Robertson. The blonde blazer and I have ended our relationship.
Yeah, I heard about that. I'm sorry for your loss.
It's very abrupt. One moment we were savoring uni straight from the urchin. Next moment, I'm contemplating flying into the sun, absorbing all its energy and casting this planet into infinite darkness so that I never have to see her or anyone else ever again. Maybe then I would be free of the torment in my soul, and maybe then I could quiet my mind to these destructive thoughts.
बहुत ही डिप्रेसिंग बातें कर रहा है ये तो.
Talking to someone, maybe seeing a therapist.
No.
Do you feel better after saying how you feel out loud?
Yes.
That's therapy.
I now see that there is value in that.
Therapy.
Do you think there
अरे
is someone
भाई.
else? Perhaps another lover could be the cause of all this. Maybe she met a person. An actual person. I am not
Maybe
a person.
there
I just
is.
resemble one anatomically.
That's definitely a possibility, but it shouldn't matter. What she wants to do with her life is up to her. Blazer makes her own decisions, because that's what people do. She's her own person, and she decided she doesn't want to be with you.
अगर हमारा कुछ चल रहा है इसके साथ,
Perhaps the fact that I am not a
मतलब
person is
Blazer के साथ.
contributing to my confusion.
I think we should
Yeah, listen.
Somehow
you know what, while we're at
tell
it,
him.
No more edible arrangements. They're just stinking up the break room.
It seems I have much to learn about people. Thank you. You've given me a great deal to think about.
Anytime. Well, actually, no, not anytime. Just sometimes, occasionally, barely any.
अरे भाई हाँ
It
कोई
seems
बात
the
नहीं आराम
velocity
से.
with which I sat up has shot shards of glass into your chest.
Well,
Oh.
Where was the shootout?
Oh,
Parking
again
lot.
invisible.
I think taking a desk job would have me bleeding this often. What are you doing here?
I had a dream last night that we were. Usually I don't remember my dreams, but this one was pretty vivid.
Like
How did I
seriously,
do?
so
I didn't finish.
upfront.
Not what I asked. We're talking about me. So this is why you've been acting so weird all day.
I'm doing that thing where I imagine being with someone, you know? See how it feels, how it looks. You know, like trying on a dress.
You were there.
I could have been. I could be anywhere.
And you chose to be here.
Sorry, I tried not to do that.
Don't worry about it, water boy.
Sound.
Bathrooms are for after your first coffee and picking shrapnel out of your chest. Not for whatever this is.
Ugh! You ruined this for me!
I know. My apologies.
Wow. ये कितना क्यूट है.
You're a menace.
Now हमारी पहली शिफ्ट स्टार्ट हो रही है विदाउट सोनार.
Can't believe Sonar's gone. This is a load of
May have been a pervert, but he was our pervert.
Well, I'm glad you're still with us.
I am glad as well. Strange.
Nice. They're bonding.
Let's get this stuff out of the dorm, yeah? You guys do that kind of stuff, right?
Load the heavy furniture and boxes into the moving truck. Moving truck heavy. तो जिसकी मोबिलिटी भी हो और जो पावरफुल भी हो. मोबिलिटी एंड पावर इसके पास भी है. मोबिलिटी एंड पावर. well, इसके पास भी मोबिलिटी एंड पावर है बट इसके पास विगर कम है. उनका सेम ही है. आई थिंक Carry the belongings down 2 flights of stairs. Vigor, power, but यार mobility भी चाहिए. Flambe कर सकता है I think ये. Okay.
I've been hearing a lot about some guy named Chad. I think he's trying to summon a demon.
And Chad.
Wasn't there a cult of Chad?
Chad? Yeah.
Chad.
Oh my god, hello? Is this SDN? I was driving along the coast.
Resuscitate any survivors if able. If not, rush them to hospital. Resuscitate का मतलब क्या होता है? Let me check. Resuscitate meaning to bring somebody who has stopped breathing back to life. भाई ये करना तो बहुत मुश्किल है. यहाँ किसको आता है ये? Mobility चाहिए rush them to hospital में. She can do it. And rush them to hospital. ठीक है. Combat. इसका कैरिश्मा बढ़ेगा. Push them to hospital. Okay. को I think ये कर लेगी. ये दोनों मिलके कर सकते हैं. Combat है हमारे पास, mobility है हमारे पास. नहीं तो ये तो इसके पास कैरिश्मा है.
Sure, fine.
ये दोनों कर लेंगे.
But deadly.
Good.
Helping people is kind of nice.
Send Viola or join the cult.
Malevola, do you know where this church is located? You can take a look and...
Oh, not interested.
Ah, she's not going. Why?
Maybe we send someone in, have them pretend to be interested in joining the cult.
I'll take this one.
Oh, Coop, you're not here and you don't have any charisma. Pretend to be interested in joining their cult. Read through their lies. Intelligence चाहिए मुझे इसके लिए. Who is intelligent here? No one.
Guess what?
Okay. Five and combat है 6. कैरिश्मा चाहिए होगा यार. इसका है ना कैरिश्मा. What happened? इसके कैरिश्मा को क्या हुआ? ये सही है I think. इंटेलिजेंस भी चाहिए. I think ये लोग कर लेंगे. The intelligent piece through their lies. What should I do? दोनों में से कोई भी इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है. I think ये जा सकते हैं. क्या आ गया वापस?
It's 3rd and 7 in the UCT red zone, and tensions have boiled over into a full-on fist fight.
Return. यार ये जाएगी नहीं.
Yep, on it.
ओ ये जा रही है अब. Return piece to the football game using your fist. Remove the troublemakers of the premises. I think ये दोनों कर सकते हैं.
What's it gonna be this
Vigor है, fist का use मतलब combat, and yes, I think they can do it. They are distracted.
I got a date tonight at this masquerade thingy.
You may not.
This is why people think you're a.
Oh.
You're braver than I thought. Fine. Return it tomorrow morning, or I will cut out your
The
tongue.
driver is out of the car but isn't responding. Attempt ये नहीं हो पाएगा. Rush them to hospital ASAP. ये हो सकता है mobility, but हमारे पास scoop है, तो we will fly them to hospital.
Drive better next time.
Okay, nice. इसका व्हाट वी शुड आई थिंक मोबिलिटी बना सकते हैं इसकी, इसको मोबिलिटी के लिए रखते हैं क्योंकि वी हैव। और इसका कॉम्बैट इंटेलेक्ट, इसका भी इंटेलेक्ट बढ़ा सकते हैं, इंटेलेक्ट और बढ़ाते हैं इसका। वेरी वेल, ओके।
Hey, this is Jason from Nostalgia Alley. Someone just dropped off a box of games with a note saying there's a bomb inside one of them. Can you send someone?
Search through the inbound retro games, identify and disarm the bomb. यार इसमें तो इंटेलिजेंस चाहिए मेरे को, ऑलमोस्ट सारे बिजी हैं, थोड़ा टाइम मिल जाए। फिर ये लोग वापस आए यार, रेस्ट करें फटाफट। क्या हो गया इधर? They want us to drink blue liquid from the pretend to take a sip. Power through it. I don't think they can power through it में vigor use होगा ना I think। और ये I think pretend मतलब करिश्मा यूज़ होगा इसमें ना, इंटेलेक्ट तो यूज़ नहीं होगा ना। लेट्स सी, ये देखते हैं, आई होप ये हो जाए। ओह यस यस यस, हो गया, हमारे पास है। नाइस। ओह वाओ, 5 लोगों की। इसका मैं क्या बढ़ा सकती हूँ? कॉम्बैट ही बढ़ाते हैं इसका। इट्स गुड, आई थिंक सब इसका नॉर्मल ही है। इसका वेल इसका भी कॉम्बैट बढ़ाते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग है ये बंदा। ओ इसका विगर है बहुत ज़्यादा, इसका करिश्मा बढ़ाएं फिर। सिलेक्ट करिश्मा बढ़ाते हैं इसका, मोर करिश्मा। नाइस, इसका भी करिश्मा बढ़ाते हैं। शी इज़ द कैरिश्मेटिक वन। इसके तो विगर के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। कम ऑन, रेस्ट कर लो गाइस, जल्दी जल्दी, तुम दोनों की ज़रूरत है बहुत ज़्यादा। कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन, यस। सर्च through the inbound retro games, identify and disarm the bomb. Very good. Intellect चाहिए।
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
Intellect चाहिए, combat, mobility.
Whatever.
They are best.
We need you to send somebody else. This is too much.
We're out of somebody's. You're
come
gonna have to make
on.
do.
Sound like my first manager.
Oh,
I fired his. This is
इसके लिए विगर चाहिए था। फर्नीचर ब्रोकन।
It's clear that cutting sonar is
अच्छा, इसके लिए विगर चाहिए था क्या? मोबिलिटी।
Noted. Can you just hang in there a little longer? I'll see what I can do.
yeah, well, comma's a hot rabbit.
ओप्स, अरे यार ये क्या हो गया? इतने सारे आ गए ना एक ही बार में। Which game is hiding the bomb? भाई यार ये मुझे कैसे पता होगा? क्या? Which game is hiding? भाई इसके बेसिस पे तो जज नहीं करोगे ना मेरे को? Oh, destroy the bomb, deactivate the bomb. I think we can deactivate the bomb. Will it work? Let's see. इंटेलिजेंस चाहिए होगी ना इधर। ओह यस यस, वी एब्सोल्युटली कैन। तो मैंने दो इंटेलिजेंट को भेजा था।
I mean, you can, I just won't believe you.
इसकी मोबिलिटी रखो, इंटेलेक्ट भी बड़ा हो यार इसका। वेरी गुड। सबसे कम किसका है?
Where the hell did you
Okay.
go? Job's not finished. Dude, we need you to bring everything up to our new place.
Unload the heavy furniture and boxes into the new apartment. 4 flights of stairs. Heavy furniture. I think ये सही है।
Someone need a bed.
guys. Carry the belongings of 4 flights of stairs. Combat चाहिए, करिश्मा नहीं चाहिए. I have no one. ये कर लेगा क्या? Wait, let's see another one.
Hey, Ray here. We got another teardown for you. Mind coming down and doing some demo?
Destroy the remains of dilapidated house. Toss all the debris to clear the area. All the debris to clear the area.
Rolling out.
Destroy the remains of dilapidated house. Combat चाहिए इसमें. I think ये दोनों कर लेंगे. I hope so. Mobility तो नहीं चाहिए ना? ये लोग रेस्टिंग से हटे फटाफट. वेटिंग यार शिट. ओ मैंने चेक नहीं किया ना इनका. Unload the heavy furniture boxes carried to the new apartment. ओके मुझे ये देखना पड़ेगा. यार कमानी तो हो जाना चाहिए.
I'm not surprised there.
दोनों चले गए यार. 2 मिस हो गए मेरे. Teach defense guards, grapples, lead sparring drills, ground fighting, assist reflex development. मुझे चाहिए करिश्मा चाहिए और ये. आई थिंक ये दोनों कर सकते हैं. रिफ्लेक्स डेवलपमेंट. रिफ्लेक्स किसके अच्छे हैं? Now I can teach defense guards. ये कर सकती है. इसके रिफ्लेक्स भी अच्छे हैं. And I think her vigor, assist with the reflex development, lead sparring drills, ground fightings, teach defense guards and grapples. ये लोग कर सकते हैं. यार मेरे 2 तो मिस हो गए.
You're clocking out early?
Shit.
Mate, cut me if you want, but I'm out.
Oh yaar, come on. This has to be done. Oh, safe. We are safe. Okay. हो गया ये successfully. रेस्ट कर लो गाइस. अच्छे से रेस्ट कर लो क्योंकि मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत है.
We need backup at the mall. Dozens of youths just started rushing us and looting the
Catch
shops.
as many as looters as possible. Detain the minors but do not use force. Mobility चाहिए.
Guess I'm not busy. Cool. Free. I work better alone.
We've cleared everyone out already, but like someone called us about a bomb in one of the theaters.
Go theater to locate the bomb, identify and disarm the bomb. Okay. उसका ब्रेन काम कर रहा है. यहाँ पे रहेगा तो और यहाँ पे रहेगा तो करिश्मा काम करेगा. ठीक है. ब्रेन चाहिए. Go theater to and locate the bomb. क्या ये कर सकते हैं? Disarm the bomb. Disarm the bomb. यार इंटेलेक्ट चाहिए मुझे. क्या करूँ?
He's a mind reader. She has X-ray vision. Together they are the ultimate invasion
Protect
of
the
privacy.
couple from each
Oh, sorry.
other.
Is this the end? We need help.
Send someone good with people to defuse the sum. Okay, इसका करिश्मा काम कर. From each other. Okay.
What's it going to be this time?
Out of me way.
मुझे किसी ना किसी एक को रेस्टिंग से निकालना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक. ओके. मैं कूप को निकाल रही हूँ रेस्टिंग से क्योंकि इसके पास इंटेलेक्ट है. वेटिंग कहाँ पे वेट करें? कम ऑन। हो गया भाई। कम ऑन, यस। कूप है, इसका कॉम्बैट भी अच्छा काम करेगा।
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
ओके, आई थिंक ये लोग सही हैं।
What does fire taste like?
Come on, rest कर लो guys.
Bit more spicy, kind of like a spicy pop rock.
What the f are pop rocks?
I only have one.
So your life is miserable.
Walk, fill the dog to the nearest. Fill is deceptively strong and pulls so hard. Be careful. अब क्या करूँ मैं इस सिचुएशन में? मेरे पास सिर्फ यही है।
Phenomenon still on the 405, just past him. He's gone from
Which movie
shaking his
theater?
fist at cars to
I don't know.
Well, at least he's putting his newfound pain to use.
I had no idea Blazer was such a heartbreaker.
Is that surprising?
I'm just impressed. Didn't think she had it in her.
Maybe you shouldn't be so quick to judge people.
How am I supposed to know? Locked option. Punch up required.
calling me a
Okay.
heartbreaker?
The bombs. The bombs. In the Standing Alive theater, somewhere in the air conditioning vents. Crawl through the vents. Activate the AC to freeze the bomb. कितना है हमारा? 7 and combat 10 गया हमारा। क्या चाहिए होगा हमें क्रॉल थ्रू द वेंट्स के लिए? क्रॉल थ्रू द वेंट्स के लिए मोबिलिटी, आई डोंट नो। आई थिंक एक्टिवेट द AC टू फ्रीज द बॉम्ब। क्रॉल एंड एक्टिवेट। हम अपने ब्रेन पे जाते हैं, लेट्स सी क्या होता है। All of them are disrupted for some reason. Oh yes. Oh, it's done. We are safe.
Perfect.
Okay. Next, who are disrupted? पहले इनका बढ़ा देते हैं कुछ। Combat अच्छी है इसकी mobility भी बढ़ा देते हैं। और combat बढ़ाएं क्या? नहीं, mobility बढ़ाते हैं थोड़ी सी। Next में इसका combat और बढ़ा देंगे। कूप का तो लाइक इंटेलेक्ट इतना ज़्यादा है। मोबिलिटी ठीक है, कॉम्बैट सही है। कॉम्बैट बहुत लोगों का है। ओके, दे आर डिस्टर्बेड। थिंग्स आर डेफिनेटली गेटिंग हीटेड। लुक्स लाइक दे आर अबाउट टू टीयर द प्लेस अपार्ट। Prism required. Okay. Superhero squabble in ASL 90. Getting heated. He's a mind reader. She has X-rays. Then oh sorry, it's a सर्टियन भी नहीं है। Lighten the mood. Force them apart. क्या हमारे पास? Lighten the mood के लिए I think करिश्मा ही चाहिए होगा ना। Activate sprinkler system. क्या हम ये कर सकते हैं? Can we do it?
I know a way to cool them off.
Okay, ये हैक वाला है। ये हैकिंग वाला पार्ट है। Okay, how am I supposed to do it? E. Okay. Oh, nice. E. No. I don't know what to do. How am I supposed to go there? I think हो गया ये वाला। और ये हम डाउन कर सकते हैं। और ये E अप लेफ्ट डाउन राइट लेफ्ट। ओके, it's done. And ये हो गया।
You've
Oh
got to be
shit.
kidding me.
Oh shit, no sorry. Okay. Okay, हम उसको वहाँ पे कैसे रोकें? ओके ठीक है। ओह, हो गया। Down, down, down. Okay, nice. E, up, right, down, left. Okay, this is done, and only this part is left. Up. No. Down. Okay, ये हो गया. Down, right. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay, down, right. Up. E हो गया. Up, left, down, right, left. Oh, finally it's done. Oh, चलो भाई, ये तो हो गया एटलीस्ट. इसका हुआ. इसका विगर है और इसका कैरिश्मा है. इसका कॉम्बैट बढ़ाता है. क्या मैं इसका मोबिलिटी भी थोड़ा बढ़ाऊँ? इसी तो काम का है यार ये. इसकी तो सब कुछ ही बहुत अच्छा है. इसका विगर और बढ़ाता है. ठीक है. What does this F means? Golem, the sign. हैं? ये क्या हो गया? अच्छा, 8 points, skill points unspent. अब मैं ऐसे कर सकती हूँ कुछ? इसका विगर, हाँ, इसका विगर बढ़ाते हैं. इसका कॉम्बैट बढ़ाते हैं. ठीक है, विगर और कॉम्बैट. हम एक ही बार यूज़ कर सकते हैं क्या ये? ओके. ठीक है. और सब इसने क्या किया? अरे हाँ.
Come on.
क्या as many looters as possible. Come on यार. Youths escaped. विगर चाहिए था, मोबिलिटी और चाहिए थी. मेरे को सब कुछ था ही नहीं. यार जल्दी आओ गाइस. Come on, please. नहीं, इधर भी. Shit.
Tried hard. That's what matters.
Hey, it's Jerry from Comic Pug. We got a gift of some
Evacuate all civilians. कितना घटिया खेल रहा हूँ मैं.
We just want to be sure.
Evacuate all civilians from the store and inspect the suspicious mecha man. करिश्मा का कॉम्बैट करेगा. अच्छा, हाँ, जो है इसकी मोबिलिटी बढ़ेगी. मेरे को फिगर चाहिए. फिगर चाहिए क्या?
Graceful, but deadly.
करिश्मा नहीं चाहिए ना मेरे को. क्या मुझे फिगर चाहिए? मोबिलिटी तो चाहिए. Intellect, mobility.
Yeah.
I think this is good.
There's a difference between a chop, a dice, and an ends. Hold out your hand, let me show you.
What do you mean he got away? You better find him.
Search for Phil the dog in the nearby park. Entice him with a friendly demeanor and treats. Nearby. Search करना है तो मुझे इंटेलिजेंट चाहिए. और इनमें से किसी के पास कोई इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है क्या? Not her. यार एक तो मालवीला चली गई.
On the move.
I don't know. Search entice the friendly. मतलब कैरिस्मा चाहिए इसके लिए, तो इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. मोबिलिटी भी चाहिए. Hers is a charisma.
Fair play. Give me all you got, f***ers.
Which Mecha Man contains the bomb? I don't know. Prime. ऊपर से स्टार्ट कर दो भाई, जो है सही है. Can't hit what it can't see. Okay, it was Mini Mega Man Prime. It's flying around the shop and blasting. Stop it before it. Okay, Invisigal है हमारे पास. If she can, she will.
I'm gonna be insufferable about this.
Okay, very nice, Invisigal. इसकी mobility है, इसका intellect और बढ़ाते हैं. इसका combat भी बढ़िया है यार ये.
If anyone needs some more hands-on training, I'll be in the gym until the end of the shift.
Need a light?
कैसा रहा यार इनका? Oh, it's 100%. Thank God. कितने लाइक 2 मिस हुए हैं और 3-4 तो फेल हुए हैं मेरे. बहुत ही खराब. Hero power training. When assigned to a call, Press duplicates the hero to her left, placing their illusion in an empty slot with half their slot. Press duplicates illusion now have the full stats of the copied hero. When a call is about to expire, Prism creates an illusion that keeps the call for a few more seconds. Once, यार ये सही है. यार ये भी अच्छा है. Let's do this, I think.
And that's lunch. Oh, great. I'm gonna drink my spicy water.
Okay, this was better. 3 failures and 2 misses. This was better, seriously better. Let's see what else we have got. मुझे लगता है हमारे नेक्स्ट शिफ्ट में आएगा ना वो Phenomenon.
Aren't these the best? I love the green ones, the green dew.
Oh,
I think I'm water boy or Phenomenon में से choose करना है.
Hey, I know what's for lunch or dinner, probably. Now, sorry for interrupting your meeting with him.
इसकी क्या पावर दूँगी? I think ये लोग मुझे stats दिखाएंगे ना Phenomenon के और
Sometimes it's different, like a logo, but it's probably still good.
I don't want the trash noodles, wet fart boy.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Whatever, it was an accident. Just aim your up and water it off. That's not... You...
I'm gonna go rinse off.
How would you like to have to walk around work the rest of the day with it all of you?
I don't know, I don't think about that, because it won't happen.
भाई इसके दांत अभी भी टूटे हुए हैं. जो ये
It
गिरा
was
था.
an accident. You don't have to be a bully about it. You want this in your report?
What, are you gonna snitch on me? You're just being a soft bitch about it. Bully.
Spaghetti.
Oh, am I being a bully?
Oh, wow, I wasn't expecting it to go straight. That was extra. Sorry.
You're gonna choke on this
Hey, Robert, could you...
spaghetti.
Did you eat my lunch? Why would you do that?
I don't want to be a snitch, but Flambe was really hungry. I mean, look at him.
Really?
Yes.
Well, if you're gonna eat it, I wish more of it got into your mouth. Go get cleaned up, then clean this up, then pick me up a BLT from Johnny's, and we'll call it even.
Yeah.
ओके गाइज, इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट इसके पार्ट 2 में देखेंगे बिकॉज वीडियो ऑलरेडी बहुत लंबी हो चुकी है. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू दिस एपिसोड वील सीइंग यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट करना मत भूलना और मुझे बताओ कि मेरी गेमिंग स्किल्स और मेरी कमेंट्री स्किल्स में क्या क्या इश्यूज़ हैं एंड आई विल ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव इट एंड आई विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.